वेलकम ऑल अगेन वंस एक्सेल ऑफिशियल क्लासेस। जैसा कि आप सभी जान रहे हैं, मेंसुरेशन का टॉपिक चल रहा था राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर का। तो आज हम आपको उसका आगे बताने वाले हैं राइट सर्कुलर कोन। उससे पहले आप ये जान लीजिए कि हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल जो है एक्सेल ऑफिशियल क्लासेस, आप इसको सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, साथ ही हमारी वीडियोस को लाइक एंड शेयर करते रहिए। मैं अभिषेक तिवारी आपके सामने लेकर आया हूँ चैप्टर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2। तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि गूगल प्ले स्टोर पर हमारा ऐप लॉन्च होने वाला है, तो लॉन्च हो चुका है। एक्सेल ऑफिशियल क्लासेस प्ले स्टोर से आप जाके डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और वहां पर आपको सारे पीडीएफ नोट्स, स्टडी मटेरियल, होमवर्क, सेशनल टेस्ट, मॉक टेस्ट वगैरह आपको प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे फरवरी महीने से। और आप उनको अटेंड करिए और अपने आप को देखिए कि आपका कितना नंबर आ रहा है, कितना नहीं आ रहा है। साथ ही में आपको कुछ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस कराए जाने वाले हैं फरवरी महीने से, जो हर टॉपिक से उठाकर एक ही साथ में रखे जाएंगे। उनको आप जरूर अटेंड करने की कोशिश करिए। चलिए आपको एक चीज और बता देते हैं कि जो बच्चे टीचमेंट ऐप का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं, टीचमेंट ऐप का प्रयोग जो भी बच्चे कर रहे हैं, उस पर भी हमारा ऐप है एक्सेल कोचिंग सेंटर नाम से। आप उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं और वहां भी सारी चीजें अपलोड कर दी गई हैं। आप वहां जाकर देख सकते हैं, उसको आप अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं सारे टेस्ट को। बहुत सारे हिंदी मीडियम वाले बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए भी अपलोड किया गया है, इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले बच्चों के लिए अपलोड कर दिया गया। चलिए आज का जो हमारा लेक्चर है वो है इंग्लिश मीडियम का। और आप सभी, मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोग अपने घर पर स्वस्थ होंगे और ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे। चलिए आते हैं टॉपिक पे। आज का जो है हमारा टॉपिक है राइट सर्कुलर कोन। दिस लेक्चर इज इन इंग्लिश। इंग्लिश मीडियम में आपको लेक्चर मिलने वाला है ये। चलिए, नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट। Firstly, we have to note down all the formulas used in the right circular cone. Now we see the formulas. Volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. ये हमारा volume of the cone. Now coming on the second formula. Slant height of the cone L is equals to under root r square plus h square. This is the second formula which we are going to use in this chapter. Now come to the third formula. Curved surface of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone is equals to pi r into L. Coming on the next, total surface area. Total surface area is equals to total surface area of the cone is equals to pi r in bracket r plus L. ये सभी फॉर्मूले बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, इनको आप नोट कर लीजिएगा। दीज फॉर्मूलाज आर वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ राइट सर्कुलर कोन। सो प्लीज नोट डाउन ऑल द फॉर्मूलाज एंड लर्न इट बाय हार्ट। नाउ कमिंग ऑन द क्वेश्चंस, हियर इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नोट डाउन प्लीज। द डायमीटर ऑफ द बेस ऑफ अ राइट सर्कुलर कोन. The diameter of the base of a right circular cone. First, we have to see the diagram of the right circular cone. So let's see. This is the right circular cone. This is called slant height. This is called height, and this is the radius, and this is the diameter. Make the diagram so you can easily understand all the values given in the numericals. Now coming on the question, is 8 centimeter is 8 centimeter and the vertical height and the vertical height is 6 centimeter. Is 6 centimeter. Find the slant height of the cone. Find the slant height of the cone. Approx 2 decimal places. देखिए आप लोग, दिस इज कॉल्ड द वर्टिकल हाइट. This is vertical height and this is slant height. Now in this question we have to find out the slant height. Firstly we write down what is given in the questions. Vertical height 6 centimeter and the diameter of the base. Diameter of the base is 8 centimeter. It means radius 4 centimeter. Now slant height of the cone, formula use करेंगे. L is equals to under root R square plus H square. Then 4 square plus 6 square. 16 plus 36 is equals to L is equals to under root 52. अब क्वेश्चन में देखिए क्या बोला था. We have to find out the slant height of the cone approx 2 decimal places. Now we have to find out the root of 52. Let's see how we will find the root. 7 sevens are 49. 3 पॉइंट लगाया, 0 बढ़ाया, 2 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2 4 4 1 16, 0 बढ़ाया, 1 times, यानी कि L is equals to 7.21 centimeters. So the slant height of the cone is 7.21 centimeter. Note down the question and please understand by heart. Now coming on the next question. The radius of base, the radius of base of a right circular cone is 4.5 centimeter. Is 4.5 centimeter, and the vertical height is 6 centimeter. And the vertical height is 6 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the cone. Now, the radius of the base of a right circular cone is 4.5 centimeter. Please note down what is given in question. Radius, how much? 4.5 centimeter. And the vertical height is 6 centimeter. Vertical height, I am not talking about the slant height. The question is talking about vertical height. So H is equals to 6 centimeter. Then find out the curved surface area of the cone. We have to find out the CSA. Now put the formula of CSA of the cone. As I have described before, the formula of CSA of the cone is equals to pi r L. Now, by the formula of CSA, one thing is unknown to us. What is that? The slant height of the cone, pi r L. Slant height of the cone is L. So we have to find out L also. R square plus H square. Then L becomes under root 4.5 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 6 का होल स्क्वायर. नाउ 4.5 को हम कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. देखिए 4.5 इंटू 4.5. 5 5 25, 5 4 20 plus 2 2 to 5, 4 5 20, 4 4 16 plus 2 18, 5 2 8 to 10 1 1 2. This becomes 20.25. 20.25 plus 36. Now L is equals to 56.25. Then L is equals to 7.5 centimeter. Now we have found the slant height of the vertical right circular cone. L is equals to 7.5 centimeter. Now put the value of L in the formula of curved surface area of a right circular cone. Putting the value 22 upon 7 into radius 4.5 into 7.5. Calculate कर लेते हैं इसको. 22 45 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10 plus 1 11, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 0 819 819 99.0. Now 7.5, 5 9s are 45, 5 9s are 45 plus 4 49, 7 9s are 63, 7 9s are 63 plus 6 69, 5 9 3 12, 9 4 13 plus 1 14, 6 1 7. तो ये आ गया 742.5 अपॉन 7. नाउ इसको हम डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. We will divide it by 7. डिवाइड करके आंसर निकालिए आप लोग इसका. चलिए ये तो हो गया हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन. आते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. दिस इज योर होमवर्क टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन एंड टेल मी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. Am I doing wrong or right? And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel honestly. A greatest right circular cone, a greatest right circular cone is formed by cutting a wooden cubical piece of 7 centimeter cubical piece of 7 centimeter side. Find the volume of cone. Now see, a greatest right circular cone is formed by cutting a wooden cubical piece of 7 centimeter side. It means question has given us a wooden cubical piece of 7 centimeter side. Now we have to make a diagram of wooden cubical piece whose side is 7 centimeter. This is the diagram of cubical piece whose side is 7 centimeter. Now, a greatest right circular cone is formed. यानी कि greatest. We are taking whole side as its diameter. Diameter is 7 centimeter. This is the greatest right circular cone which we can cut out from this cubical piece. Now, diameter of the cone is equals to 7. Vertical height of the cone, diameter 7. Vertical height equal to the side of the cubical piece. This is also 7 centimeter. Now we put the formula of volume of the cone, which is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now as we going ahead, the question becomes difficult. We put the values in the formula 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r, 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into height. Now volume of the cone becomes, after calculating the question, we have to find out the volume. 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7. 7 7 कट हो गया. 49 into 22 upon 12. Now we are multiplying 49 by 22. Then the result becomes 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, plus 1 9, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, plus 1 9. On addition, 8, 9 8 17, 9 1 10. 1 0 7 8. 1 0 7 8 divided by 12. Now dividing the 1078 by 12, it becomes 89.73. 89.73 centimeter cube. We got the volume of the cone as 89.73 centimeter cube. So let's see the question again. Question is given: the greatest right circular cone is formed by cutting a wooden cubical piece of 7 centimeter side. Find the volume of the cone. Now we have to make a diagram firstly. So we made the diagram of cubical piece. In this we have cut out the greatest right circular cone. How we got the greatest right circular cone? By cutting the cone on its side. Taking the diameter of 7 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter, we cut a greatest right circular cone. Now we got the diameter of the cone 7 centimeter. Vertical height of the cone is 7 centimeter. By dividing by 2, we got the radius of the cone 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. After calculating, the result becomes 89.73 centimeter cube. Please note down the question. Now coming on the next question, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel Excel Official Classes and download our app on Play Store, which has been named by the Excel Official Classes. Please download and rate us so we can give you a best education to your child. Coming on the next question, question number 3. The curved surface area of a cone the curved surface area of the cone is 4070 centimeter square, and its diameter is 70 centimeter, and its diameter is 70 centimeter. What is its slant height? What is its slant height? Now see very carefully. The question is saying that the curved surface area of the cone is 4070 centimeter square. Till now we have to find out the curved surface area, but now the question is giving us curved surface area. So please note down, curved surface area is equals to 4070 centimeter square. And what is given in question? Its diameter, the diameter of the cone. The diameter of the cone is 70 centimeter. Please divide it by 2. Then we got the radius. How much? 35 centimeter. Now we have CSA of the cone and the radius of the cone. Then how will we find the slant height? We put the formula of CSA of the cone is equals to pi RL. From here 22 upon 7, as we got the radius, so please put the value of radius 35 and into L. Now CSA is 4070 centimeter. This will be equal to 22 upon 7 into 35 into L. By cross multiplying our question, we have to find out the value of slant height, that is called by L. Then L becomes 4070 into 7 upon 22 into 35. Now 7 ones are 7 5s are. Now cut 4070 by 5. Now we are cutting 4070 by 5. Then 5 ones are 5 8s are 40. 5 ones are 5. 5 4s are 20. This becomes 814 upon 22. Now dividing it by 22. Divide the 814 by 22. 22 3s are 66. 11 से 6 माइनस करते हैं आ जाता है 5. 22 7s are 154. By dividing 814 from 22, we got the result as 37 centimeter. So from the given values in the question, we got the slant height of the right circular cone. Then we write our answer like this: slant height of the right circular cone is 37 centimeter. Please note down the question and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Excel Official Classes and download our Play Store app Excel Official Classes and rate us and review. Note down the question and please comment me in the comment box if I am wrong and any mistakes in my questions. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please share our video as much as possible so we can teach you our best. Thank you so much.